Just another one of those days.
Patients love you that much that they get the HD tattoo on their arm. I love it.
This is the before of what I'm about to do. But anyway, so we closed on this house over here. DeBerry, Florida. Look at that. Waffle House, McDonald's, racetrack. And what else? There's something else down there, I think. Hardee's or something, I don't know. But anyway, home sweet home. Home sweet second home. There's the before picture of this place. Now, somewhere along the line, we're gonna do the after. How are my succulents? They're being strangled by grass.
Yes.
So what do you think of the new place?
Amazing.
We gotta figure out what to do with the sign over here. So what's the first thing we're gonna do? This is kind of weird. The house, main house is right there. This was, I don't know what this is, a garage apartment or a garage or something, but I need to cut this stuff down because it looks funny having this in front of a garage door. What's inside? Used to be an office of some sort. So I started bringing stuff here and cluttering it up. But I guess that's where, oh, there's the, you can see the frame of the garage door. Right there. No shower, just a toilet and a sink. Adriana's making a video out there somewhere too. Hola! I paid True Green, and I don't know what they do about aerating or whatever it is, but don't you think they missed a lot of spots here?
I'm thinking True Green doesn't aerate. I thought
they do. They
like yard treatment.
No, well, yard, pest, whatever it is, but yeah, they aerate it too, but they missed half the lawn. Look at that, my 2008 Ford, I didn't need to do that. $29 a gallon. No, wait, which one is it? Is it 8?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carlos. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, brother-in-law.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
right, so we made it to our new home for a little while, huh? So who do we have here?
Justin Hildebrand, JH Diesel.
So what's the plan?
We're gonna get it fixed up. See what we can do with it.
It's been sitting in my driveway. It's been the biggest flower pot for a while. So
Some Fords will do that sometimes.
So
it
some
happens.
some people are telling me not to do anything with it because it's that crappy engine or whatever, right? I don't know about this stuff. What do you think?
6.4s do have their issues, but let's see how bad it is. You know, I got some guys that got 250, 300,000 miles on these things still going.
So I'll see you either in a few years, come back here to pick it up, or in a
I
few
wouldn't go
months.
that
or
far. Couple weeks, couple months, something. We'll see what's wrong with it first.
All right, thank you. For those of you that have been following me for a while, remember this? This was where Giuliani used to make the dentures. This is the crappy construction that the guy did. Storage. So I just moved out some couches here. Storage. This office hasn't been in use for how many years now? 3 years, something like that. Just took out the couch over here. I should have taken a before video. But I had the couch over here and we just piled it in the troops. Well, hold on a second. There it is. We just put it on the trailer. For those of you that are asking me about a truck, there's my new truck. And we're on our way to the Berry. Home Goods.
Home goods. This is not this, but look, this price is very good. 39.
Okay, Adriana found something that she wants right there. All right, she found something else. She wants this chair too. Sit down, let's see. Okay, nice. Sold. How much is that?
199.
Now we're shopping for dog beds.
But I prefer the same purple.
Look, what does this look like?
2 balls.
So we just took the exit off of I-4. This one day is gonna be an awesome dental office here. Waffle House, McDonald's, Racetrack. I think there's a Hardee's over there. And here's the place that we bought. Except, let's see, let's drive around in a circle here. I love it. Yeah, I saw them like fixing stuff and building stuff there.
I like these houses around.
They rent over there, right?
They're
Yeah, see, we gotta clean this up over here. Parking lot there, that's where the RV is gonna go for now. Oh, I gotta measure it and see how the RV is gonna even fit over there. And this is where people just walk through our property and cut the corner and drive by also.
and they also park.
Oh yeah, somebody parked and started doing something in their car here. Anyway, so what do you guys think? Well, we made it in, we unloaded. I don't know if I put a video up. A long time ago I put a video up of checking this place out. But here we are. Look at that Racetrack. I can run across the street and get my Limeritas. So we unloaded a few things. This TV's not gonna be here, that's just temporarily. We'll have a TV up on the wall there. These are the couches I brought from the little office. There she is, the designer. She said she wants to get rid of these couches eventually because she's got a different plan. And then the mirror that we bought today is right there. Hello, there I am. And there's our antique bathroom from 19 what? But man, it's in mint condition though. Look at this. You know what? I'm kind of getting used to that bathroom. Can we keep it like that?
Do whatever you want.
I'm kind of getting used to it. And then
I
ultimately,
will change the handles.
change the handles.
The same with the kitchen.
I'm kind of getting, like, once you kind of design it, and this is where ultimately Volusia County is allowed to have a home office. So ultimately this I want to make into a denture lab. And then one day, I don't know how long it's going to take, years, decades, whatever. I would love to make this a commercial property and turn it into a dental office. So that would be the ultimate long-term goal here.
Okay, this
Okay,
is
Adrian.
a 90s house, but I got some nice pieces. It's gray. This is not going to stay there permanent, but we bought this today. That chair, this gray. This is gray. I'm going to leave this for now. This is going to change. It's going to be more like modern. And it's going to be like similar than like in Bahamas, when we went to Bahamas. This is the first thing that we bought for the bedroom. There's more, it's like distress. And also we have this bedroom, this is kind of all a 90s, and we're going to keep it that. I want to change the handles. They will go, all I'm going to change. And this is the original lamps from this bedroom, but I'm going to match the rest with the same brass or whatever it's called, gold or whatever. But everything is going to be white, but I'm going to decide what handles to match with the lamps.
What do you think of this? Oh, there you are. What do you think of the shower?
This is the original shower, but because from now we don't want to spend too much. We want to do simple but look beautiful, because this is hard work for now. We're going to fix, that's it. Eventually, this have to go completely gone, and I have big idea for that. Like a nice shelves here, and because this is kind of the style of 90s, there are no any keen of that. And the kitchen also, I would like to completely change the knob, completely. It's 30. Then we can sell that once and buy new ones. This lamp, of course, have to change.
What's wrong with that lamp?
I don't like this lamp. And we're going to bring some nice pieces for this.
So whatever
lamp.
she doesn't like, what are we doing with it?
We're going to sell it.
eBay?
Because-
Amazon?
Yes, or maybe offer up, because people will have this style and will love it, and they will be happy to have the original one. What are you doing?
We started pulling, oh my back. We started pulling this stuff up, and tomorrow's goal is to get all this stuff off. But look how they did this. They have some kind of tile, and then they put the rug over the top of it. But we're gonna have to figure out what to do here. Tile, what do we decide? Tile or what?
Tile.
Tile? Yeah, but this is all gonna come up. Hopefully tomorrow. Once I get a sharp blade, because this is useless. This is not easy work, I quit.
I told you. It's very bad for your back.
Yeah, I know. I've been having back issues.